Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat you can't recording video. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat you can't recording video, you should just go to the app of settings here and you will enter. When you'll find this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this page, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about your Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.